If you struggle with creating polished professional designs using AI, then today is your breakthrough moment. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you my exact step-by-step workflow that takes me from a simple idea all the way to a final client-ready design. This is the process that gives me both speed and quality, which ultimately means I can take on more clients and grow my business. So, what are we going to cover? First, I'll show you how to brainstorm compelling visuals for any project. Then, we'll dive into creating stunning concept art using AI tools. After that, I'll walk you through how to refine and improve those AI-generated images using powerful editing software. And finally, we'll cover how to export your work and present it professionally for clients or on social media. Make sure you watch all the way to the end, because I've created a free workflow sheet just for you that ties everything together. Alright, let's get started. I begin every single design with a story. A good story is the foundation of a great visual. For this example, let's imagine we're creating a brand identity for a cyberpunk food delivery service. The first thing I do is jump into a tool like Notion or Canva and start jotting down keywords that capture the essence of this brand. Think about the mood and the atmosphere. For a cyberpunk food brand, I'm thinking words like neon, street food, rain, city, and speed. These keywords will guide our entire creative process and ensure our visuals are consistent and impactful. This brainstorming phase is crucial, so don't rush it. Take your time to really explore the world you're trying to build. Now for the fun part. Let's turn our idea into actual visuals using an AI image generator like Midjourney or Leonardo. We'll use the keywords we brainstormed to build a detailed prompt. A good prompt is specific and descriptive. Here, the exact one I am using. A cyberpunk street food stall in neon-lit Tokyo. Glossy rain reflections. 50mm lens. High detail, cinematic, glowing signs, vivid colors, smoke steam, futuristic. You see how we've included our keywords and added technical details like the lens type and lighting. This tells the AI exactly what we want. Now, let's generate a few images. AI tools are fantastic because you can create multiple variations in just a few moments. Look at these options. This one is good, but the lighting is a bit off. This second one has great colors, but the composition isn't quite right. And this third one, wow, this is perfect. It has the gritty, futuristic vibe we're going for. The neon signs are popping, and the reflections on the wet street look incredible. This is the one we'll work with. We've gone from a simple idea to a strong visual concept in just a few minutes. This is the power of AI when you know how to direct it properly. Okay, so we have a fantastic base image from the AI, but our job isn't done yet. AI gives us a great starting point, but it's our human touch that elevates a good design into a great one. This is where we take control and add our creative signature. I'm bringing our image into Photoshop, but you can also use a free tool like Photopea. The goal here is to refine and perfect the image. First, I'll look for any small imperfections or weird artifacts the AI might have created and clean them up. This could be a slightly distorted sign or a strange-looking object in the background. A little bit of cleanup goes a long way. Next, a crucial step for branding. Adding the brand name, I'll create a custom logotype that fits the cyberpunk theme and place it naturally within the scene, maybe on one of the glowing signs. This makes the design unique to our client. Then, I'll sharpen the key elements of the image to make them stand out. I want the focus to be on the food stall itself. Finally, I'll do some color grading. I might boost the contrast, enhance the vibrant neon colors, and add a subtle color tint to unify the whole image. It's these small, deliberate edits that add a level of polish and authority to the final design. This is what separates amateurs from professionals and allows you to charge higher rates for your work. Remember, the human touch is what clients pay for. Now that our design is polished and ready, it's time for the most important step in the client process: presentation. How you present your work can be the difference between a design that gets approved instantly and one that gets sent back for revisions. It's this step that turns what might look like a 500 rupee beginner design into a 5,000 rupee professional package. We need to show the client how this design will look in the real world. So, instead of just sending a flat image file, I'm going to use mock. First, I'll place the design into a poster mock-up. This helps the client visualize it as a physical advertisement. See how powerful that looks. Next, let's see it on a burger box mock-up. Now the client can see their branding on their actual product. This makes it tangible and exciting. And finally, let's create an Instagram post mock-up. This shows them how their brand will look on social media, where most of their customers will see it. By presenting your design in context, you're not just selling an image, you're selling a vision. You're showing them the potential of their brand, and that is incredibly valuable. We're at the final stage, exporting the files and planning our social media strategy. For client delivery, you need to provide files in various formats and sizes. I always start with a high-resolution, square PNG, maybe around 2048 pixels. This is great for most uses. Then, I'll create a vertical version, 1080 by 1920 pixels, specifically for Instagram Reels or Stories. To build your own portfolio, don't forget to upload your work to platforms like Behance and Dribbble. This is how you attract new clients. When you post on social media, a great caption is key. Keep it short and punchy. For this design, something like cyberpunk meets street food with some fire, burger, and lightning bolt emojis would be perfect. This creates excitement and engagement. Having a clear export and posting checklist ensures you never miss a step and maintain a professional workflow every single time. And that's my complete AI design workflow, from idea to final delivery. I hope this has shown you how you can integrate AI into your creative process to produce high-quality work faster than ever before. To help you implement this yourself, I've put everything we covered into a free PDF guide, the AI Design Workflow Sheet. If you want it, just comment the word workflow down below, and I'll send it straight to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. In our next video, we'll be diving into the basics of AI logo design. You won't want to miss it.